In this video, I'll show you step by step how to create animated YouTube videos for kids that you can upload on YouTube and make money. You guys can see this channel, for example, it's uploading those animated kids videos, and those videos, guys, are getting a lot of views, 1 billion of views. Like, look at this one, for example, 8 billion views. Look at this one, 7 billion views, and this one, 4 billion views. And they are getting million and even billion of views and making so much money. Okay, just this example channel, guys, and upload animated videos, it's making $3 million per month, between 3 million and up to $8 million per month, uploading kids YouTube videos. I'll show you how you can create those videos without showing your face, without using your voice, and just by using ReadKidz.
Bao Bao's journey home. In a leafy bamboo forest, under cloudy spring skies, lived a little panda named Bao Bao. One morning, chasing a butterfly, Bao Bao wandered farther than ever before. Suddenly, he looked around. Everything looked strange.
Have you ever wanted to create amazing stories and animations like this one you watched, but didn't know where to start? ReadKidz makes it super simple. It's an AI-powered tool that helps you turn your ideas into a picture books or animated videos in just few clicks. ReadKidz, it's already ranked top 3 daily and top 4 weekly on Product Hunt. It's designed to be easy for everyone, whether you are a beginner or an experienced creator. Its animation feature lets you bring your characters and stories to life in a fun and creative way. With ReadKidz, you can combine your creativity with smart AI technology and create unique content that your audience will love. It's fast, flexible, and perfect for all kinds of projects, from storytelling to educational videos. I will show you guys in this video step by step how you can use it. The link of ReadKidz will be in my description below, so you guys can check it out. So after you finish your sign up process, this will be your home page, and it's easy, friendly to use. They have different templates over here, as you can see, and they have this bar here. I will scroll down, so we will go to animated video. Once you click on animated video, it will take you to this page, and as you can see here, you need to put your script. You need to put your animation script. So you have here different options. You have here age, okay, you can choose the age that you want, and you have here story type, family, stories, holidays. I will choose family. You have here a story theme. I will keep choosing grandparent. And you have here third person perspective. I will keep using this one. And you have here anthropomorphic and non-anthropomorphic. I will choose non-anthropomorphic. And what you will do next, you just need to click on AI generate. Okay, and here you go. This is the story, guys. As you can see, what you will do next, you just need to click here on extract rules. Okay, click on extract rules, and you will be directly in this page over here where you need to choose your styles. They have different styles, as you can see. So for example, I'm gonna choose this one, fairly tall glow style. I will choose this style, guys. Okay, so just click on the style that you like to use and click on next, and you will be directly in this page over here. Set character image. You need to choose a character image. Okay, you have here different characters, as you can see. You guys also here can click, if you want to edit your characters, just click on this option here, and you will see this page here, edit character, and you can edit your character. If everything looks good, you can click on confirm. So for me, let me see, you can edit the name, gender, category, type. So everything looks good here. I will click on confirm, and what I will do, I will click over here on generate, and it will start generating the character. And here you go, guys, you will get this result. As you can see, it's looking really amazing and a professional, high quality. It's a really good. So the first character is looking good. Okay, let's go to the next one, and you will do the same for all those characters here. And here you go, all your characters will be generated, and as you can see, guys, our characters has been generated and they are looking professional and good. So the first one here looks really good. You can also edit if you didn't like this one, you can edit it from here. you have different characters. So for example, I will use this one, and let's go to the second character here. I will choose this one, and let's go to the papa character, and I will choose, for example, the first one. Okay, and we'll choose this one. Let's scroll down to the last character, this one, and let's choose this one. Looking really good. So once everything is done and looking good, you guys just need to click here on next, and you will be directly in this page to storyboard. Okay, and here you have the different scenes. Okay, you guys also can edit or delete any scenes you didn't like, or you can also add scenes if you want from here. Okay, so you will just delete this one, so you will keep just using those generated by ReadKidz AI. Okay, looking good. Okay, so let's check. Everything looks good. So once you finish, just click here on next, and as you can see guys, your storyboard is being generated. It starts generating the storyboard, as you can see here, generating season timeline, and you will be in this page over here, and we have here different scenes, as you guys can see, and you have access to a lot of options that you guys can use to edit this scene. Okay, so for example, if you want to add or to edit the subtitles, just click on the subtitle, and you can type anything you want if you want to add something. Okay, so for me, I'm gonna keep using it like this. It looks good. Okay, so but if you click, you can change the color, you can change the style of your subtitle, and you have different options that you can use. So as you can see guys, our character is not here, so let's add our character. Click over here on chat and click on add element, and click over here on this option and click on select from historical works. Okay, like this, and click over here on character, and here you go, your characters will be here. So let's choose our character. I will choose this one. Click on confirm, and click over here to enter your prompt, and just put your prompt here. So for example, I will put here guys a panda sleeping. Okay, and click here on generate. Okay, like this, and this character will be added to your scene. And here you go guys, as you can see, it's really looks amazing and professional. And you guys also have two options here. You have audio and background music. You guys also can click on this option to add the voiceover to your video. You can change all voice actors. You can click here and choose the voiceover that you want to use. Okay, they have different.
Hello. Welcome to ReadKidz, a world full of imagination and childlike fun.
You guys can see.
Hello. Welcome to ReadKidz, a world full of imagination and childlike.
They have high quality voiceovers that you guys can use. So this is the one that was selected in my video. I will keep using this one. Okay, and you have also here the background music. You can add background music to your video. Okay, just click on the background music here, and you have a lot of background music. You see, you guys can see you have different background music that you can add to your video. So it's super easy and simple. So I will keep making the same to generate all and get back to you. So once you finish guys editing all your scenes, it's time to animate this. And what you need to do next, you just need to click here on animation. Okay, and it starts, your storyboard is being generated, and you guys can see here. So let's see the result, and you will be guys in this page here where you can generate each scene one by one. Okay, and you have also this bar here, single frame, and you have here my prompt. You can put your prompts or the prompt you already use it in the beginning. Okay, so I already have this prompt. Of course, I will not edit my first prompt. So you can click on the first scene and just click over here on generate video. Okay, and here you go guys, this is the first one, it's done. Okay, let's check. It's looking really good. So what you will do next, you just need to do the same for all those scenes over here. Click on the next one, click on generate video. Our scenes has been generated, as you can see, which is really cool. So what you will do next, just click here on animation preview and you will be directly in this page. What you need to do here, just click over here on video and select your scenes, all your scenes. Then you will click on confirm. Okay, make sure to select all your scenes like this. You will just click here to select all your scenes and click on confirm like this. Click over here on audio, okay, and select your voiceover so you can generate a voiceover to your video. Select 4 like this and click on generate. Super easy and simple. Okay, so once you finish, you can see here,
Tall bamboos.
and just do the same for the rest. Okay, once you finish, so your voiceover will be added to your video. And to add the background music, you just guys need to click over here on background music, and you have here different background music that you guys can check and see which background music you like to use. So for example, you can see this, they have a lot. So to add the background music, just click over here guys, add, okay, and your background music will be added to your video. Okay, and you will click here on export and I will choose storyboard video like this, and I will click on confirm, and here you go guys, this is the result that I got.
Bao Bao's journey home. In a leafy bamboo forest, under cloudy spring skies, lived a little panda named Bao Bao. One morning, chasing a butterfly, Bao Bao wandered farther than ever before. Suddenly, he looked around. Everything looked strange.
And that's how you can create animated YouTube videos for kids that you guys can upload on YouTube and start making money from those videos and grow your YouTube channel without showing your face and without using your voice. You don't just have to make money just by creating videos with ReadKidz and upload them on YouTube. You can actually make money also guys by sharing ReadKidz. They have a high paying affiliate program that allows you to earn commissions every time someone sign up using your link. If you are a creator or just someone looking for extra passive income, this is a massive opportunity. I have placed the official affiliate application link in the description guys below. It only takes few minutes to apply, and once you are in, you can start getting paid to help other creators automate their content and go apply now. Thank you so much for watching and see you in my next videos.